What's up? Welcome back to my channel.
I just wanted to test my new mic. Today all I wanted to do was just a chatty, get ready with me. Just wanted to check in on you guys. I hope you're all doing well. I know all of us are having anxiety about the same things, and I just thought it would be fun to just do like a completely informal chatty get ready with me. So I'm gonna get started with the Jane Iredale. What is this? This is the D2O. I've been liking it as more of a prep rather than a set. Woo, I sprayed way too much. My face is soaked. This is gonna take a couple minutes to dry. I'm gonna use the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation and some of the Ilia Nova Highlight. Just gonna mix it together on the back of my hand and apply it with a beauty sponge. I did want to let you guys know that I just uploaded an IGTV video of my Sephora picks. It's a get ready with me version though, so you guys can see them in action, because the one that I'm gonna put on my YouTube channel will be talking straight to camera. So if you want to see the products like being used on my face, you can go see it on my IGTV. And the one that I'm gonna put on YouTube, it's so much footage, so I'm still working on editing that, but I wanted to get this video up before that so I could give you guys a little bit of a heads up before that video goes live. So if you're looking for like demos, so if you're looking for demos of the products, that's where you'll find it. And then if you still want to see some of the other products that I wasn't able to show in that demo, just let me know and I'll film another IGTV demo video of it. But I literally talked about those products for like over an hour. So I have, I think, 85 minutes of footage. So I'm trying to like cut that down, and anything that I feel like I didn't really need to put in the video, I'm not gonna put in the video, because I think it got to the point where I was just talking about way too many products. I got really ahead of myself. And then the ones that I filmed for the demo are actual staples that are like my top recommendations. But I wanted to make sure that I was able to include as much product as I could so that you guys would have options to look into. Oh, and I forgot to say, I'm using the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer. This concealer has become one of my newer staples. I mean, when I say newer, I mean I just started using it more regularly for about a week. So it's just something that I've found myself reaching for more often, because I do think it looks really nice and natural. I'm gonna do brows really quick. I'm using Benefit Precisely My Brow. This is just a good slim tipped brow pencil. I did color my hair. It's a lot darker, as you guys can see. It probably hasn't even been a week. I don't know. All the days blend together this time. But I actually filmed 3 videos before I colored my hair, and I lost the memory card, and I was freaking out because a lot of my memory cards are starting to crack, and a lot of the shippers on Amazon can't ship memory cards until May, or some of them were even not shipping until June. It was really stressful, but I actually ended up finding 2 unopened memory cards in my office, so that was a relief. So I have those, and then I found the memory card that I lost with the old videos on it. So that's another thing I wanted to update you guys on. I'm going to be uploading those videos. I'm gonna re-edit those. My hair is just, you know, that faded John Frieda color, so it looks a little bit lighter and a little bit more chocolatey. But I just wanted to let you guys know that when you see that video, or those videos, because I think there's 3, that's why it looks like my hair's lighter, but I won't have actually changed the color by the time you guys see it. I'm gonna take some Benefit Hoola. So I'm gonna get those up for you guys, because I do think that's some pretty good content. And then the other thing I wanted to let you guys know is I've been really enjoying Instagram storying. I've been making like an effort to share more with you guys on stories every day, and you guys are making me so happy with all the messages you send me. And I've been having so much fun on Instagram stories, because I feel like it's genuinely like a different way for me to connect with you guys. I feel like it's a little bit more personal, and I've just been enjoying sharing things with you. I've always been really shy, and so I just kind of never would story because I felt like I didn't have anything worth sharing or anything that people would find interesting about me. So I would just never story. It could be fun to just like try to start doing a couple Instagram stories, and then I totally got addicted to it because I'm loving the response I'm getting from you guys. And I also think it's a really great way to keep you guys updated with everything, because when I did color my hair, I told you guys, you know, everything, showed you how I'm doing it. I'm gonna take Becca, Ipanema's son, and you guys are tagging me in the lunches you make when I share I try to always at least share like a breakfast, a lunch, or a dinner if I think it's, you know, worth sharing and something that you guys would like too, because sometimes I just have like a smoothie and I think that's kind of boring. But I do always try to share at least like one meal a day, just so you guys can get some inspiration. But the point I'm trying to make is a lot of you guys are sending me pictures and videos of you making the stuff that I made for lunch, and I think that's so cool. Like, I'm just loving connecting with you guys, and I'm loving reading all of your messages and like getting to know you guys better. And I think that Instagram in this time, like quarantine, has been okay, I need to also speak as I'm doing my makeup. This is Tarte Exposed, but because we're all home during quarantine, I think it's actually been a really great way for me to get to know you guys on a different level. And I'm having so much fun doing Instagram stories. I never thought that I would say that, because like I said, I'm a very shy person in real life, and I can film a YouTube video and stuff because it's educational and it's a little bit more formal, and I have like a structured way of doing it. But an Instagram story, I feel like, is, I don't know, it's just different, you know what I mean? I'm just like recording it on my phone, and it just feels very personal. I'm loving that personal connection I'm getting with you guys. It's genuinely bringing me so much joy. For highlight, I'm gonna do Patrick Ta Major Glow, and we need her. I like to pick this up on a brush and then just lightly graze it on the high points. I think you get a lot more of a soft iridescent highlight when you do it that way. And I'm also trying to do more IGTV videos in general. So I did like a drugstore hair care one where I'm talking about a lot of my favorite products from the drugstore that are targeted towards like reparative hair care, just like some great staple hair care products that you can get at a reasonable price from the drugstore. I've done some like other makeup tutorials and stuff. It's been fun. It's been really, really fun. I'm gonna pop a little bit of mascara on. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And obviously right now I'm just liking enough mascara to define my lashes. This is a great, you know, natural lengthening mascara that, I don't know, I think it's fine for if you're just like trying to wear a little bit and you want enough length. And if I feel like it got a little clumpy, I'll just take a little eyebrow spoolie and separate the lashes a bit. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do for April favorites this month. I have been testing out products, but obviously because I'm not doing like the same routine, I'm obviously not going out. I don't, you know, go out on the weekends. I'm not going out on the weekdays. I'm just not going out. Do you know what I'm saying? So I feel like a lot of things aren't getting necessarily tested under the same circumstances that they normally would be. So that just worries me in a sense of like a longevity standpoint of the effectiveness of the makeup products. And usually I do like to talk about that with you guys. So I really want to know your opinion on my April favorites being predominantly hair care and skincare based, because that's really what I can speak to the most for the past like month and a half, as I've just been trying a bunch of skin and hair care. So I'm just wondering if that would be okay with you guys, if this month's is a little bit more of like a quarantine based favorites. I'm also thinking about doing a quarantine like loungewear video. That's another thing you guys have been asking on Instagram about my sweatpants and like tank tops that I've been wearing a lot. So I'm thinking about doing a video all about that. I'm just trying to like create content that's gonna be stuff that you guys think is relatable to the situation, and I just do feel like doing a favorites video that's dedicated to makeup that I would otherwise be wearing out and about, out in public. Oh, by the way, this was Tartist Baked. And I'm gonna take a little bit of mackerel too. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I just feel like I can't really give you guys an efficacy-based makeup favorites like I like to do every month, but I can do one on a whole lot of skincare. So if you guys are down with that, just leave me a comment, let me know. But I've just been doing like a no makeup look on most days. And then this makeup look I'm doing right now is like pretty much as dramatic as it's been getting. I'm gonna use Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss. So glossy. And to make it just like extra shiny, I'm gonna take Dreamscape from Pat McGrath. And put that right on top, and it's so glossy. So I'd love to know your guys' thoughts, if you're okay with April favorites being predominantly skin and hair care based, if you guys want to see a quarantine outfit, like loungewear outfits video, and then don't forget to watch the IGTV video where I show all the Sephora products in action for my picks for the sale. Like I said, that video is gonna take me forever to edit because I talk way too much, and I need to make sure that I don't talk about stuff that I don't actually think is worth the splurge. But I feel like I kept it to like really great products, but I somehow managed to just talk forever. So yeah, that'll be up this week too. So that'll be on the YouTube channel. The IGTV is where the demo video is, and I have a couple other IGTV videos that are pretty new up on that part of my Instagram too. And I just thank you guys so much for staying in touch with me during this time. I really do appreciate all the sweet messages. I love talking to you guys. Like, I'm genuinely having so much fun talking to you guys on Instagram. I feel like we're texting. So it's been a really cool, unique experience, and I genuinely mean it when I say like it makes me feel a really great connection to a lot of you. So yeah, I'm trying to keep up with the stories, keep up with the IGTV videos because I'm having a lot of fun with those too. And just would love to know some more stuff you guys want to see during this time. My boyfriend had suggested doing kind of like a at-home facial routine, which I think could be really cool too. And yeah, we'll see what's up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Stay in touch. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I will see you guys later, but we'll talk in the comments, and products and everything will be listed and linked in the description box down below.